Sisig or something else? What do you think? Hello, we're in a location traveling to Vienna to join my brother to make dinakdaken. We went to the market earlier today for this undesired parts. If these are not your thing, look away now, but please don't unsubscribe. Let's give these parts their due respect and praise. Join us and let's make dinakdaken. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Join us here at the kitchen for some learning and fun. Yeah. Look how big this is. My very first time. Kinalaw. I like it. This is a very humble and simple recipe of just chop and mix. There's not much to show, but we'll tell you how this evolved. As you probably expect, sancocho is needed, just parboiled meat. And once it's soft, just ladle it, drip dry. And for a more enhanced flavor, you might want to just grill it first, or braise it on a pan. What we did is to use a blue torch. Look at the dark skin. And chop it into small bits, slightly smaller than how you would chop your onions. Okay, sige ako. Add the chopped onions and ginger and just mix. Salt and pepper. While my brother mixes the dish, I'd like to relate the story, the background about this dish. You know, this is usually associated with inuman or among the drunkards because it's best consumed with alcohol, perhaps due to its strong taste. And it's just a fact, anything with vinegar goes well with beer. Now, how come, you might be asking? In the barrios, traditionally, during big events, they would slaughter pig for the banquet. And it's usually done in the evening or in the night. So a butcher would need a group of men to help him, including women, of course. And these parts, the head and the ears, are not usually used for the commonly prepared dishes, let's say dinuguan, apritada, etc. These parts are not used. So the crew, the butchers, instead of discarding them, they would parboil sancocho, these parts, and perhaps grill it over the coal to make it crispier, and then make a salad out of it. They would even use the brain to make the salad even creamier or nuttier. Nowadays, it's mayonnaise. So that's it. Unwanted parts, which serves as pollutant to the butchers and the crew to keep them up for the night, for the preparation. Humble. Now, it evolved. The Kapampangans also have this in the form of the sisig, which it's the same story. The unwanted or discarded parts from the military base, they were brought home, they were barbecued or they were grilled and then chopped and made as a salad. This is cousin, or this is its predecessor in the north, dinakdakan of the Ilocanos. Which do you prepare? Dinakdakan or sisig? Oh, thank God, the lecture is over. Back to the kitchen. If you want, you can add Thai chilies. Remove the seeds if you want it to be milder. And vinegar or lemon. In our barrio, we would add just vinegar. As an option, you can also add mayonnaise. Or
Yeah. Look
bread.
how big this is. My very first time. Kinilaw. I like it.
Dinakdakan, an easy and quick recipe. Give those parts their due honor and respect. Don't throw them away. Make a sisig or dinakdakan. Thank you for joining us here today on behalf of my brother Jerry. I'd like to see you again next time, either here or at the kitchen. And if you want to see more of Vienna, we have 4K videos at the other channel, My Barrio, My Mundo. Scenes and locations like this. See you there.